Our motive is clear. We believe in understanding what our clients do, and how we can help them grow.
We're clear on how we create impact and success. It's through strategic alignment with our clients, through the quality of our people, and through innovation of our technical and applicable project solutions. Over the past 20 years, we have worked with endless energy and purpose to establish Depromat's global reputation, as witnessed today.
In all sectors and facets of our operation, we have diligently delivered beyond standard expectations, and made part of us a dynamic culture. Part of Depromat and its journey is a team of highly skilled technical experts and professionals who share a relentless desire to leave a footprint in the project management industry through Depromat. They share Depromat's ambition and embrace our culture. Their combination of authoritative knowledge, experience and willpower makes Depromat stand out in a crowd.
Yes, the project management field is a complex and diverse industry. But we believe it is all about relationships and networks, whether it is the experience or openness of our technical team, or that first handshake that signifies the start of another exciting journey with a trusted client.
At Depromat, we pride ourselves in believing that anything is possible when the right people come together, as we embrace diversity and inclusion. And honestly, nobody makes better partnership than you and Depromat.